Good morning, this is latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stocks moved lower on Friday as concerns over growing instability in Iraq hit sentiment ahead of a flurry of Chinese economic data. The Nikkei 225 fell after the Bank of Japan kept policy steady, though the yen weakened, providing support. The unrest in Iraq also pushed the price of oil 0.8% higher in Asian trade, with a July NYMEX crude futures contract trading at $107.33 per barrel, adding to a 2% jump on Thursday. Furthermore, Asia got a negative lead from the US stocks, with Wall Street ending lower after retail sales number missed expectations. South Korea's Kospi lost 1% and Australia's ASX 200 dropped 0.8%. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.9414, down 0.13%, ahead of the data closely followed by Australia as the top export destination for commodities such as iron ore. The Japanese yen weakened against the dollar after the Bank of Japan on Friday kept ultra-loose monetary in place at its latest board meeting. The Bank of Japan and government policymakers have said the drag from the April sales tax hike to 8% from 5% appears to be easing. The latest government surveys have also shown that consumer sentiment rebounded in May. US dollar Japanese yen traded at 101.79, up 0.08% after the Bank of Japan announcement. On Friday, the US is to round up the week with data on producer price inflation and preliminary data on consumer sentiment from the University of Michigan. The University of Michigan's Consumer Survey 1355 GMT. A gauge of sentiment will likely show Friday morning that consumers perked up this month thanks to healthy jobs trends and rising stocks prices according to the economist's forecasts. Economists expect a sentiment gauge from the University of Michigan and Thomson Reuters to rise to a preliminary reading of 82.8 in June from a final May level of 81.9. For context, the gauge averaged 86.9 over the year leading up to the start of the recession. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.